On a recent field trip to the farmer's market, I picked up these incredible scallops along with a few other things. If you missed that video, you can click on that link right there when we're done. Watch this one, come back, and you can click on that one to see what else I bought at the farmer's market, because I also got strawberries and rhubarb for an upcoming video with a delicious dessert, and you do not want to miss that, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you hit the bell, you'll know every time I post a video. Let's get back to our scallops. In this bag, I have a 1/4 cup of flour and a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning. If you don't have lemon pepper seasoning, just use some pepper and the zest of a lemon. That's pretty simple. All right, what you want to do is you want to make sure your scallops are dry. So I blotted these with a paper towel, and now we're just going to add them to the bag and shake them to coat them. It's shake and bake, and I helped. Do you remember that commercial? Probably not, unless you're my age. 25. All right. I'm going to shake them up to coat them. So you want to shake off the excess flour. There we go. This is what they look like, and now we're going to sear them in a pan. Come, let's go to the stove. When the oil and butter become nice and hot, add your scallops. Once the scallops become opaque halfway up from the bottom and they're seared a nice brown, turn them over. Once your scallops are well seared on both sides and opaque all the way through, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now pour in your lemon juice and white wine, and use the spatula to deglaze the pan. Continue cooking and stirring over medium heat until the glaze becomes thick and reduces by half. Plate your scallops on a bed of greens. Drizzle some of the glaze over the top, and garnish with a lemon. Doesn't that look beautiful? It's a nice, healthy meal, it smells delicious, and it tastes even better.